In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and here scroll down for a bit and tap on Control Center. Here, firstly, you have to add screen recording right there in included controls. If your screen recording tool is already here, it's okay, you can move to the next step. And if you don't have screen record in included controls, all you have to do is scroll through that More Controls feature. Here, find screen recording and then tap on that plus sign to add it to included controls. The next step is open up your Control Center from your home screen. Just swipe down from the top right corner. And here you can find that screen recording icon. First, you have to hold down on that icon to bring up that options, and from here you can enable or disable your microphone. By default, microphone always turned off. And if you want to turn it on, just tap on that icon. Now you can go back out of here, and then if you tap here on that icon, after 3 seconds countdown, it will start recording your screen. Now you can hop out Control Center, and here you can do some actions, and here, as you can see, your time widget highlighted with a red background, so that means that now your screen is being recorded. Once you finished doing actions on the home screen, all you have to do to stop screen recording is tap here on that widget and from here select on stop. Now it says that screen recording video saved to photos. You can open up your Photos application. And here at Recents you can find the video that you have just recorded. From here you can tap on Edit and trim this video for a bit. If you want, you can trim the start just by dragging the start edge of that video in that way to delete the part that you don't need in your video, and also in the same way you can trim the end of your video in that way. Then you can just hit on Done and select how you want to save that video. You can save it as new clip or you can save existing video file. I'll select the second one, and guys, that's it. You have just screen recorded your screen on your iPhone on iOS 16. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.